वेलकम टू डेली मार्केट मंत्रा विद एसएमसी, जहां हम मार्केट अपडेट्स, टेक्निकल अपडेट्स और बाकी सेक्टर स्पेसिफिक अपडेट्स डिस्कस करेंगे to help you get an edge in your investment journey. So let's begin with the global market updates for today. The market is expected to extend rally and open higher on Friday, tracking positive momentum in global pairs. Asian stocks were headed for a fifth straight month of gains on Friday, bolstered by the growing view that cooling inflation in the United States would allow the Federal Reserve to ease rates this year. US stock market ended with minor gains on Thursday as Treasury yields eased ahead of the fresh inflation data. The oil prices rose in early Asian trading hours on Friday, setting up a third straight weekly jump as concerns about supply problems from escalating geopolitical tensions and weather-related disruptions offset signs of weak demand. As per provisional figures, the foreign institutional investors, the FIIs, or the foreign portfolio investors, the FPIs, bought shares worth net 7658.77 crore and domestic institutional investors sold shares worth net 3605.93 crore on 27th June 2024. गिफ्ट निफ्टी 0.30% के गेन के साथ ट्रेड कर रहा है, indicating a positive start. Sensex was up by 0.72% and closed at 79243. Bank Nifty closed at 52811 with a loss of 0.11%. Nifty closed at 24044 with a gain of 0.74%. Nifty Future also closed at 24095 with a gain of 0.55%. US markets को देखते हैं. Dow Jones was up by 0.09% and Nasdaq Composite was up by 0.30%. Sector specific updates देखें तो energy and IT are the sectors which are likely to outperform and साथ ही underperform करने वाले sectors रहेंगे bank and auto. Let's talk about the macro news now. China's industrial profits increased at a slower pace in the January to May period, data from the National Bureau of Statistics showed on Thursday. Industrial profits posted an annual growth of 3.4% in the first 5 months of the year. This compares to the 4.3% growth seen in the January to April period. The equipment manufacturing sector provided the largest contribution to the overall increase. In May, profits at large companies advanced only 0.7% annually after expanding 4% in the previous month. तो ये थे आज के updates from SMC Global. All the sources have been linked in the description box below. मिलते हैं कल फिर कुछ न्यू अपडेट्स के साथ. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू SMC Global's YouTube channel for more such updates. Thank you.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.